Have you ever pondered what your reflection would reveal if you were standing on a different planet? Imagine looking into a mirror, not in your cozy home on Earth, but amidst the alien landscapes of Mercury, Venus, Mars, or even Jupiter. How would the unique conditions of these celestial bodies alter your appearance? Intriguing, isn't it? That's the cosmic journey we're about to undertake. So, buckle up as we journey through the cosmos to discover the you on different planets. Imagine standing on Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury's environment is one of extremes. During the day, you'd be scorched by the sun as temperatures can reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But don't be fooled, as once the sun sets, the temperature plummets to a chilling negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. This dramatic shift in temperature would make your appearance equally extreme. During the day, you'd be a silhouette, your features obscured by the intense sunlight. And at night, you'd be a frozen statue, your features stiff and immobile in the icy cold. Also, due to the sun's proximity, your shadow would be incredibly sharp and defined, almost like a dark twin standing beside you. Your size, however, would remain unchanged, as gravity on Mercury is only about a third of that on Earth. So, on Mercury, you'd be a creature of extremes, oscillating between fiery days and icy nights. Now, let's transport ourselves to Venus, our solar system's hottest planet. Known as the evening star or the morning star, Venus is not as welcoming as it appears from Earth. Imagine stepping onto its surface. You'd instantly feel the immense heat, with temperatures soaring to over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than the surface of Mercury, despite being further from the sun. But it's not just the heat you'd have to contend with. Venus's atmospheric pressure is around 92 times that of Earth. That's comparable to being 1 kilometer deep in Earth's oceans. This intense pressure would compress your body, modifying your size and shape. So, what would you look like on Venus? Well, the extreme conditions could make you shorter, wider, and considerably hotter. The atmospheric pressure might distort your body, making you look like a squished version of your Earth self. On Venus, you'd be under pressure, literally, and perhaps a little squished, but definitely hot. Next, we venture to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Imagine stepping onto a world where the pull of gravity is more than 2.5 times that of Earth. Here, your weight would skyrocket. But don't worry about packing on the pounds, it's all Jupiter's fault. Now let's talk height. With the intense gravity, you might expect to be squashed down, but Jupiter's fast rotation, the quickest in the solar system, would actually have an opposite effect. You'd be stretched out and stand taller, turning you into a veritable giant walking amongst the swirling storms of gas and dust. But there's more to Jupiter than just gravity. It's home to the strongest magnetic field of any planet. What would that do to you? Well, it might not give you superpowers, but it's certainly something to think about. So on Jupiter, you'd be a giant, albeit a little heavier and possibly magnetized. Finally, let's jet off to Mars, the red planet. A world of rusted iron and thin, wispy air awaits us. Its atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth's, which means you wouldn't feel the same pressure on your body. This could potentially make you a bit taller, as your body wouldn't be compressed as much by the atmospheric pressure. Now let's talk about gravity. Mars has only about 38% of Earth's gravity, so if you were to step on a scale, you'd weigh significantly less than you do here on Earth. Imagine the leaps and bounds you could achieve with such a reduced weight. Mars is known for its reddish hue, a result of iron oxide or rust on its surface. This pervasive rust could potentially cast a reddish glow on your skin, giving you a Martian tan, if you will. On Mars, you'd be taller, lighter, and possibly sporting a new reddish complexion. So, as we return to Earth, let's reflect. From the searing heat of Mercury transforming you into a literal hot mess, to the dense, crushing atmosphere of Venus, the monstrous gravity of Jupiter, and the icy chill of Mars, each planet offers a different, dramatic version of you. While we might not be venturing to these planets anytime soon, it's fascinating to envision the versions of you that exist in the cosmos. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring.